Hey, in this quick and short video, I'm going to show you how you can get a 14-day free trial of the Sellics software. The Sellics software is software for Amazon PPC, Amazon search engine optimization, SEO, and also for profit calculations and a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to show you how you can get a 14-day free trial. In fact, the link is down in the description of this video. And also, I'm going to share discount coupon codes with you for the Sellics software in case you'd like to save big when you invest in Sellics. And in the end of this video, I'm going to link you to another video. It's going to be an end screen here. It's going to be a full tutorial of the Sellics Benchmarker, which is a tool, a free tool by Sellics that allows you to understand how well your PPC is doing on Amazon. So let's start. So in order to get your 14-day free trial of Sellics, simply click on the link down in the description of this video. It's going to lead you to this landing page where you'll simply have to input your email address and then click on Start Free Trial. You're going to get a 14-day free trial of Sellics for all the plans with all the features available without inputting your credit card even. And that's going to be an affiliate link. Means that if you'll ever be doing business with Sellics, I'm going to get a little commission for that at no extra cost to you. And that means that you'll be able to support my free content here on YouTube. My name is Vova Evan, seller on Amazon. And I've been selling since late 2016. On this channel, I'm sharing different tips, tricks, hacks for Amazon sellers, over 240 videos to date. So please comment, subscribe, and thank you for using my links. Now, let me show you also how to get the discount coupon codes. For Sellics, I have two coupon codes for you. So once you're gonna be in your Sellics account and you'd like to invest, or maybe you wanna do it right now if you're in the checkout phase or something. For example, you have the monthly and the annual plans. I have the coupon codes for two options. For the monthly plan, for example, let's choose the Advertising Pro Plus. You click here on Select, and there you're gonna click on Proceed to Order, right? Now, here you're gonna have to input your coupon code, and the coupon code is VOVA90, VOVA90. Click on this nice arrow here. So instead of paying $198 for the first month, you end up paying only $19.80. So it's 90% off coupon code only for your first month on Sellics, right? Pretty cool coupon code. And also, there's gonna be an annual plan, right? And in the annual plan, you're gonna be able to save 2 additional months, okay? 2 free months that you get. And so, for example, click here on Select on the Advertising Pro Plus, click on Proceed to Order. And here, if you use the coupon code VOVA20, my Russian accent, VOVA20, you're gonna be able to save $396. So instead of paying $1,980, you're gonna end up paying $1,584. So that's VOVA20 for the annual plan. So these are two options of coupon codes. And now up here on the screen is going to appear the video that talks about the Sellics Benchmarker. That's a tool that allows you to understand how well your competition is doing against you or you against your competition, a benchmarker. Click on this video to get to the video and see how it works. It's a free tool and you're going to be understanding how well your PPC is performing in case you're wondering. So click on it right now. Appreciate your time. Have a great day. Bye.